We are delighted to invite you on a journey into the world of wooden furniture and home decor, where functionality meets elegance in the most natural form. In today's fast-paced environment, creating a living space that feels both welcoming and stylish is more important than ever. Wood, with its warm tones and unique textures, serves as an ideal medium to achieve this balance. This exploration will highlight various ideas that blend simplicity with practicality, showcasing how wooden elements can transform any room into a harmonious retreat. Whether you are a design enthusiast or simply looking for ways to refresh your home, you'll find inspiration that resonates with your personal style. As we delve deeper into the myriad possibilities that wooden furniture and decor offer, you'll discover how these elements can enhance not only the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also its functionality. From versatile storage solutions to statement pieces that evoke a sense of warmth, wooden items can create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. We'll explore innovative ideas that cater to modern sensibilities while respecting the timeless beauty of natural materials. Join us as we uncover the endless potential of wood in elevating your home decor, making it a sanctuary that reflects your individuality and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of wooden furniture and decor. We hope you found inspiration and ideas that resonate with your style and vision for your home. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more, please stay with us until the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating valuable content for you. Embracing natural aesthetics. In modern home decor, the use of wood as a primary material reflects a desire for natural aesthetics. Wood's inherent warmth and texture bring an organic quality to interiors, creating a comforting atmosphere. By incorporating wooden elements, homeowners can evoke a sense of tranquility and connection to nature, making spaces feel more inviting and lively. The beauty of wood lies in its unique grains and tones, which can harmonize with various design styles, from minimalist to rustic. The versatility of wood. Wood is an incredibly versatile material that adapts well to different styles and functions. Whether used in furniture, decorative items, or architectural details, wood can enhance both form and function. Its adaptability allows it to blend seamlessly into any room, providing practical solutions while also serving as a design statement. This versatility makes wood a popular choice for those looking to create a cohesive look throughout their home. Balancing functionality and design. A key aspect of modern home decor is the balance between functionality and aesthetics. Wooden furniture and decor items can fulfill essential roles while contributing to the overall design. For example, well-designed wooden pieces can provide storage solutions, seating, or surfaces for daily use, all while enhancing the visual appeal of the space. This dual purpose is essential for maintaining a clutter-free and harmonious environment. Creating cohesive spaces. In designing a home, it's crucial to create cohesive spaces where all elements work together to form a unified look. Incorporating wooden elements throughout various rooms can help achieve this cohesion. By selecting wood finishes that complement each other, homeowners can create a seamless flow from one area to another. This approach not only simplifies the design process, but also fosters a sense of continuity and connection within the home. Enhancing comfort with wood. Wooden furniture and decor can significantly enhance the comfort of living spaces. The tactile quality of wood invites touch and interaction, making rooms feel more welcoming. Additionally, wooden surfaces can help regulate temperature, providing warmth in colder months while remaining cool during warmer seasons. This comfort factor is essential in creating spaces where individuals can relax and feel at home. Celebrating craftsmanship. The use of wood in furniture and decor often highlights the craftsmanship involved in creating each piece. Handcrafted wooden items can serve as focal points in a room, showcasing the skill and artistry of the maker. This celebration of craftsmanship adds a layer of uniqueness to home decor, allowing homeowners to express their individuality and appreciation for quality materials. Sustainable design choices. In an era where sustainability is a priority, wood offers an eco-friendly option for home decor. When sourced responsibly, wooden furniture and items can be a renewable and sustainable choice. Homeowners can seek out reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood, ensuring that their design choices have a minimal environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability can also add a meaningful narrative to the home's decor. Layering textures. Incorporating wooden elements into home decor allows for the layering of textures, which adds depth and interest to spaces. Wood pairs beautifully with various materials, such as metal, fabric, and glass, creating a rich sensory experience. By mixing these textures thoughtfully, homeowners can achieve a dynamic and visually appealing environment that feels both inviting and sophisticated. Emphasizing simplicity. The minimalist aesthetic emphasizes simplicity, and wooden furniture and decor items can embody this philosophy. Clean lines and uncomplicated designs create a sense of peace and order within a space. By choosing wooden pieces that prioritize function and form, homeowners can maintain a serene atmosphere while enjoying the beauty of natural materials. Personalization through wood. Wood allows for personalization in home decor, as it can be easily customized to reflect individual tastes and styles. Homeowners can select specific wood finishes, stains, or treatments that resonate with their personal aesthetic, ensuring that their space feels uniquely theirs. This ability to personalize wooden elements fosters a deeper connection to the home and its design. Fostering connection to nature. Bringing wood into home decor fosters a connection to nature, which can be especially grounding in urban environments. Wooden elements remind us of the outdoors and can create a calming atmosphere reminiscent of natural settings. This connection can enhance overall well-being, making spaces feel more balanced and harmonious. Encouraging creativity. Wooden furniture and decor can inspire creativity within the home. The natural material serves as a foundation for artistic expression, allowing homeowners to experiment with arrangements, styles, and combinations. By incorporating wooden elements, individuals can create spaces that reflect their unique personalities and inspire innovative thinking. Cultivating a lasting legacy. Incorporating wooden furniture and decor is not just about aesthetics, it's about cultivating a lasting legacy. Well-made wooden pieces can endure the test of time, becoming cherished family heirlooms. By choosing quality over quantity, homeowners can create a home filled with meaningful items that tell a story, fostering a sense of history and continuity through generations. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and attention as we explored the inspiring world of wooden furniture and home decor. We hope you found valuable insights and ideas that spark your creativity and motivate you to transform your living spaces. Your engagement and interest are what drive us to continue sharing innovative design concepts and practical solutions. If you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions, we encourage you to leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Remember to connect with us by subscribing for more exciting content and sharing this video with others who might also find it helpful. Together, let's continue to cultivate beautiful and functional homes that reflect our unique styles and personalities.